Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the support section, click on the meditation FAQ button. And as you can see, you will be able to find the most popular articles here. So just click on the one that you're interested in. And you will be able to see an answer to this question, as well as you can browse some related articles after that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.